Alright, so today we're going to be doing a slave cylinder 2006 Hyundai Tiburon. First we'll start by taking this off. Take this off, unplugged. Pull that out, I guess. And then we got to undo that one. And I'm just going to take the whole box out, hopefully. Make it easy for myself, so that. This is what we're going for. So now I'm just checking to make sure that everything lines up. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to go for this clip. Good though. But this is going to be a 12mm. All right. All right, so let's suck the rest of this out. Got that out. All right, so I had to wiggle it past this one. Kind of bent it a little, but it's all good. Should be able to get it out now, hopefully. All right, so we're replacing this. The master cylinder and the clutch slave cylinder. They're both clutch cylinders. That bad boy. Now we got to go and bleed the whole system. That's the gravity feed. See how quick that went back off? Usually you would have somebody in here holding it for you, but I don't got anybody today. You should see a little bit of air come out. Yep, see? That's all little air bubbles, if you can see those, hopefully. Lock it. All we're doing is getting the air through this line, all the way through here, into this, and then air out there. No air. Oh, a little bit of air. That's good. Means we're getting it all down. Top it off one more time. Close it. All right, now I'm just testing where it is, where it's grabbing. All right, so It's grabbing way too late, so I need to screw the rod in. What I'm talking about is this rod. It's already loosened because I never tightened it. It started here, so I'm going to go 1, that's a half turn, and 2, 1 full rotation. I'm going to just lock that in for now and go retest. Ooh, yeah. I think that's a good start. Okay. So this is the first test drive after I replaced the clutch slave cylinder. Clutch feels fairly good. My mom was saying it was slipping though, so I'm thinking it's the clutch itself. Oh yeah. Slipped right there. Just giving it a little bit of throttle. Just pulled over, readjusted the clutch pedal on the ground. All right, adjusted it again. Not better.